Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's hop into this natural glam makeup look. So first we're going to start off with one of the best primers slash moisturizers that I use, which is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I love this stuff so much. It's moisturizing and it gives a great base for any other extra primers that you might add. So for primer, I am using the Milk Makeup Cloud Glow. I love this stuff. Like, it gets everywhere, but it definitely does the job with adding the perfect glow to this natural glam. For the brows, we are going old school. We are using Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this brow gel more than the brow freeze because it gives my brows a more natural look than having them super stuck to my face. Though you could do that, but for my preference for this natural glam, I just like them to look a little bit more natural. Personally, to me, the secret to the natural glow is underpainting. I am using Smashbox Halo Glow, their concealer. I'll be sure to add the shades in the description box below, but I like to underpaint to make sure that I get a nice coverage, but it's not full coverage, and I still look good, but also put together. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal True Match in N11. I love this foundation because it gives that full coverage and it has this beautiful finish that adds on to this natural glam look. Blush, I like to mix them, so I'm using Merit Beauty's Beverly Hills and Fox for that pop of color, but not too much that, it goes well with my skin tone and just adds just a little bit of an elevated look to this natural glam. Now I'm blending out my brightening concealer before I set everything with powder. And of course, I'll be adding everything down in the description box below so you guys can know which product I am using to recreate this look. After a simple liner and some gloss by NYX, I like to do my mascara last because my eyes like to run. So before I set everything, my mascara does go last. Add some finishing touches, and y'all, this is it. This is my natural glam. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this makeup look down below. I really think it came out so beautifully. And yeah, I hope you guys love it. See you guys next time. Bye.